Hi, I'm Craig Phillips. This is Wagner's brand new cordless paint sprayer. It's the W600 Flexio universal paint sprayer, and it's powered by an 18-volt Bosch battery. I know what you're thinking, how long is that going to last? How many fence panels can you spray paint on one single charge? Well, I thought I'd put it to the ultimate test. I've set up 10 fence panels that need both sides painting. There's 2 different styles, so let's see how long one battery lasts. Even though I'm outside, I still prefer to use a face mask and safety specs. This W600 Flexio is a true universal paint sprayer for all your interior and exterior wood and metal finishes, which gives you unlimited freedom of movement when taking on small to medium-sized projects just like this one. You can clearly see the difference from one single pass over of paint. It's instantly covered and transformed. Always leave the first coat to dry for about an hour or 2, then you can apply your second coat. The W600 uses Bosch Power for All 18-volt battery system, which is proven market-leading technology, allowing you to use one battery across multiple devices. This is part of the Bosch Alliance. This can save you money and is better for the environment. That's 4 fence panels now complete. This unit comes with both the traditional accessories, the iSpray technology and the wood and metal attachments. It also works with a wide range of other accessories made by Wagner. It has a powerful brushless motor for high performance and increased battery life, with easy change attachments thanks to the click and paint technology, full adjustable air volume and paint flow control for the perfect application of materials with different viscosities. There you can see 10 full 6-foot wide fence panels perfectly painted, covering every square inch with one single application. Like most Wagner units, they come with a 3-year standard warranty. However, you can add 1 extra extended year to the warranty if you register the unit online via Wagner's website within the first 30 days of purchasing. Not forgetting the backside, where I achieved a further 4.5 panels, completing a total of 14.5 panel sides. That's with just one single battery charge. It's 10 times quicker, easier and better than using the old-fashioned paintbrush or roller. For more information on the products, check out their website, wagner.co.uk.